A text summarizer is an online tool that wraps up a text to a specified short length. It condenses a long article to main point. The need of text summarizer are increasing day by day because of time constraints. People are looking for shortcuts method to learn ideas in lesser time. Even text summarizers are helping them to decide whether a book, a research paper, or an article is worth it reading or not. Hey, today I will explain our project Text Summarizer. So, we have so many functions in it. As first of all, we can convert our light theme to dark theme, as you can see it. And for Text Summarizer, we have three features like you can put or upload .txt file or .pdf file, or you can write text, but it have to be more than 200 words. So first of all, we will use .txt file, and when we click summarize, and it will give us a summarize of that text which is present in one.txt. uh, there is two summarize as summary 1 and summary 2, and both we have used in different logical manner, as we have used different algorithm in both of them. As it is an NLP project, summary 1 has its own algorithm for that NLP, and for summary 2 it's have its own. So now we will see for .pdf file. In PDF file, when we upload, it will be saved in uploaded folder, and that uploaded from that uploaded folder it will convert it into text file, and from text file we get its summary. Let's see. Here we get, as I explained ahead of this presentation, that there is two types of summary, summary 1 and 2. Both work differently and in different manners and give different answers. Now we will work with text area. As it is written, there should be more than 200 words. So now we will add text in this text area. After adding the text, we have to just click on summarize. After summarize, as we know that we will get two summary, and both will be different from each other. But there will be one question. If we add text in text area, as well as we add or upload a file in a upload area, then what would be the answer? Let's see. You can see it would be error because we can't decide that what we have to take, uploaded file or the text. So there will be an error. So yes, was our project.